What's going on, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts. And in this video, I want to show you how to make over $100 taking pictures and answering easy questions. Now, this app is called Big Token. I've been using it for a while. I have plenty of cash outs from it. I want to show you my last cash out that I got from them. But just real quick, I just want to show you how easy it is to make money with this app. This is easily one of my favorite apps to use just because the amount of money you can make on here really is a lot more than the typical apps that are on your phone. It's legit. It's been around for a while and I love it. So just to show you real quick how easy it is to make money with this. So you see here my balance is $112.42. All right, so all that I do on this app is I go down here and you'll see upload things like that. You can just take pictures and get paid. Now when it says like 4.36 and 3.35, that's 4 cents basically and 3 cents. You know what I'm saying? Just to take a picture. Now, right here, you can please take a picture and upload a picture of a beverage you are drinking this morning. Right? So all you doing that, you're getting 5 cents for doing that. Take a photo of your morning tea, you're getting 3 cents for doing that. All you're doing is taking pictures and just letting it add up. And the thing is, like, once you complete these, other ones will pop up. You know what I'm saying? So it really is an endless thing. In addition to that, they have easy questions and surveys. Like sometimes you'll just answer a question and you get paid, 4 or 3 cents. Like a lot of the questions are between 3 to 5 cents that you're going to answer. And the surveys on here, they are no more than like 8 questions. So they aren't like really long surveys and not even going to take you a minute. It's just easy questions, easy surveys. Taking pictures is just that simple. Now, this app, something like this usually would seem too good to be true. But let me show you this right here. I got $50 last time from them. This was, let me see the date on this. This was February 26th. All right, so today is actually March 2nd. So February 26th, a few days ago, I got paid $50 for them. So you can see right here, it is legit. I've been using it for a while. I have plenty of cash outs on it, plenty of videos. So I recommend you guys really get involved with this app. Like I said, it is very simple. As far as the cashing out process, you can cash out with PayPal. They have other things I think, but PayPal is really the main one that I use. And you can cash out every Friday. I mean, before it was like, when they first started, it was you cash out like every 3 months, and then you can cash out every month. Now it's every Friday. So you can see the app is expanding. They're doing very well. I'm loving it. You know what I'm saying? Just $112 in my account right now. I'm going to cash that out soon. I got 2 days to redeem. I'm trying to, make it stack up a little bit more. But I just want to show you guys this, another one. Also, they have high point surveys that you can use, surveys that are probably take a little longer, but of course you're going to make money. The daily action bonus right here, you see here right now is day 9, well, yeah, day 6, my bad. Every time you just active on the app, just answering one question or, taking a picture, you'll get, like added to your little bonus, and then you click down here and you claim your rewards, and, you get even bigger prizes for doing that, just being active on the app. So I really recommend you guys to sign up for this. The link to it is in the description. Get started with it. You would probably not find a better app on your phone than this one. Just the amount of money you can make on it is just, like I said earlier, is more than any other app that I've been a part of and I've used. And I really think you can make good money with this app. It's not like pocket change. I mean, when you're making $50 to $100, it can be considered pocket change, but a lot of these apps, they're going to pay you like $5 to $10 a month at the most. So you know what I'm saying? You're really going to be way past that. Like I said, my last cash out was a few days ago. I got $50. Now I'm on the verge of getting more than $100. So sign up today so you can do the same thing with this app. And always remember, every penny counts.